Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, as you can see, the storm is stopped. It's a beautiful sunny day. But the winter storm, the snow, it gives a lot of snow here. You can see this the things it leave behind. But thanks for those people who work whole night outside to clean the snow with those big snow tracks. Freezing, even it's a freezing cold. They were outside for us. So big respect for those people. Without them, this city is not gonna be easy for us to go outside and live our daily life. Have a look, guys. Look at this. How crazy is it? The way it is here, you see the snow. If it's not clean, it's gonna be look like this. So this is the way. It's the next day after some snowstorm. Pretty cool. People are back to normal life. But last night it was horrible. You can imagine when I'm walking here, look at the snow, it's a lot here. If it's not clean, it's gonna be hard to walk. That's the beauty of Canada. Right away, one storm, after that next day you're gonna see everything is back to normal. And after that they're gonna dump this snow to the other places. They're gonna use big trucks. It's not like back home. Nobody cares here if there is snow. Couple of days gonna took to clean. But here it's way different. is a beautiful day. Sun is out. Look at those trees. Those pine trees is almost buried under the snow. This one is totally, oh my god, this poor tree. This is the way it looks after a snowstorm. Look at the piles of snow here everywhere. It's beautiful. When we see this kind of snow, we can imagine how crazy it was last night. This is the way it is here. You cannot see cars under the snow.